I've been using the dual arms from ErGear for about a year now. In the center, that's a 27-inch LG 4K, and on the right side, that's a Dell 24-inch 1080p. And this is what it looks like from behind the monitors. This arm has built-in plastic clips for cable management, so I basically maxed out all the ports except that's a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So all the cables got routed through these clips. Yeah, very well organized. Probably there are more than 8 or 10 cables running behind here. So as if there were one, and there's also one clip here to secure them in place. I have a little wrench to make small adjustments because the tension can be absolutely adjusted by tightening these bolts. And in front, it is pretty clean behind that one post. All right, thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this review helpful. That's all the cables under the desk.